Okay, can you read this, Haniff?
Friend.
Friend, good. Okay, two stars for you. Two boxes for you. One, two. Okay, now can you read this?
Friend and pen are at a pond.
Good. Friend and Pam are at a pond. Good. Two more boxes for you. One, two. Okay, can you read this?
They can see a swan. Swan.
Yes, good. They can see a swan. Okay, good. Two more boxes for you. One, two. Okay, now can you read this?
They can see a swan in the pond.
Good. They can see a swan in the pond. Good job, Hanif. Two more boxes for you. One, two. Okay, Hanif lagi dua saja. Okay. Now can you read this?
Let's swim.
Good. Let's swim. Good. Two more boxes for you. And you dah sampai finish line. Good job, Hanif. Okay, stop kelas